Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you that how to remove background noise from microphone. So simply in order to do this, just you have to click on volume button, and now here open sound settings. After that click on sound control panel. Now here click on recording, and now here select the microphone. Now go to properties, and now here what you need to do, just you have to go to listen, and after that click on levels. So here just make it sure that your level is 0.0 dB. In next go to enhancement, so simply uncheck this. If you have multiple 4 options available here, so simply you have to uncheck this. After that go to next advanced, and now here select the 44100 Hertz CD quality. Select this option. After that click on apply and click on OK. So in this way you can easily remove background noise from microphone.